नमस्कार। मैं राजकीय महाविद्यालय अजमेर के भौतिक विभाग से अपने एमएससी फिजिक्स सेमेस्टर 3 में इलेक्टिव पेपर के रूप में माइक्रोवेव इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स जिन विद्यार्थी के द्वारा चुना गया उनके लिए आज का ये व्याख्यान प्रारंभ करते हैं। जब हम माइक्रोवेव इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स पढ़ते हैं तो इस विषय में सबसे पहले माइक्रोवेव क्या है, क्या इसका इंट्रोडक्शन है, क्या फ्रीक्वेंसी रेंज है, what are the characteristics of this and what are the advantages. This is what we would like to learn first. The word micro, all of you must be familiar, and this microwave indicate itself an electromagnetic wave having very small wavelength. The microwave frequency is generally used for those wavelength of very small, but frequency is very high. Frequency range approximately varies from 300 megahertz to 300 gigahertz. I have given a table here in which microwave frequency range is explained here. The whole electromagnetic wave divided into two regions, several regions. Frequency from minimum to maximum, wavelength minimum to maximum, and remarks. Optical spectrum, infrared, visible, ultraviolet, X-rays, cosmic rays. I have just shown here an electromagnetic spectrum, and different frequencies for visible, infrared, ultraviolet, X-rays, cosmic rays are shown in this table. The microwave frequency range indicates very ultra high frequency UHF that varies from 0.3 to 3 gigahertz. Next category is super high frequency 3 to 30 gigahertz, and extremely high frequency EHF from 30 to 300 gigahertz signals and above. And above 300 gigahertz, the absorption of electromagnetic radiation by Earth atmosphere is so great that it is effectively opaque, not transmitting light until the atmosphere become transparent again in so-called infrared and optical window frequency range. In these notes, I have shown a table, second table for radio spectrum and their application, a important table. Extremely long frequency, very long frequency, long wavelength, medium wave, short wave, very short wave, ultra short waves, super short wave, extremely short wave, and their their frequency, their wavelength respectively. And in addition to that, what are the application for ultra high frequency, super high frequency, extremely short wave? Their application is also mentioned in this second table. It can be seen from this that microwave constitute only a small part of whole radio spectrum, but their uses become increasingly important due to the rapid development of various branches of science and engineering such as radar, in telecommunication, television, industrial electronics, basic research and medium. Okay. As far as microwave applications to be concerned, I have divided frequency band into three bands. First band is 0.3 to 3 gigahertz, and their application is mainly on TV and radar. Second category is from 3 to 30 gigahertz, in which born radar, navigation, satellite communication, it is being used there. And super high 30 to 300 gigahertz, radio meteorology, nuclear physics, radio spectroscopy. So I have divided microwave frequency band spectrum into three spectrum as mentioned in this point. Characteristic feature of microwave. What are the characteristic feature of microwave? Microwave are characterized by a small size of wavelength and large bandwidth. Second, the microwave phase varies rapidly with the distance, resulting the standing wave. And third is microwave frequency, Kirchhoff voltage law and Kirchhoff current law and Ohm's law are not adequate to describe their circuit behavior. You have some advantage of microwave. What are that? When it comes to communication related application, the microwave frequency band has distinct advantage over the low frequency band. Some of unique feature of advantage of microwave frequencies over low frequencies, including the following: increasing bandwidth, improve directive of antenna, reduce fading effect, and higher reliability. In communication, low attenuation, lower power requirement. Microwave have large bandwidth 1 gigahertz to 300 gigahertz compared to common band. Greater bandwidth provide more room for information to be packed into the transmission. Approximately 1500 FM radio channel or 50 television channel could be broadcast in microwave frequency band. Main advantage: microwave directivity increasing and bandwidth decreasing. So these are some advantage of microwave, and in next lecture we shall discuss the application of microwave. So basically it is a very introductory idea about the microwaves, and in next lecture we shall learn the application, then we shall proceed to unit 1. Okay, good day.